Today we're going to learn about the imagePROGRAF Printer Driver Extra Kit Color imageRUNNER Enlargement Copy. Here you can create specific hot folders to be able to drag and drop files and easily print them. First select Add and walk through the wizard starting Easy Setup. First we're going to select which printer we would like to choose. Then we're going to select the paper type we're going to use. Then what is the width of the roll, and if you would like any type of specific color matching. Then you're going to tell it what the shared name is going to be. Here we're going to say it is an 18 by 24 inch heavyweight coated. And then select Finish. Now we're going to create the folder. Select New from your desktop. Name it the same thing you named it in the tutorial. Then select Edit. Here we're going to find the specific properties of how we want to print. We're going to first specify the folder. We're going to browse to the desktop and find our 18 by 24 heavyweight coated folder. Then we're going to select the properties of the printer. Do we want the image to be created at a high quality or a standard quality? And the page setup. If we want this to be an 18 by 24, we'll select 18 by 24 from the paper size menu and fit to paper size. This way, no matter what file is selected, whether it is an 8.5 by 11 or a 36 by 48, it would be automatically sized to an 18 by 24 page. Now that you've created the specific parameters of the folder, you can add this to your startup menu, then also select Save Printed Data. If you do not select Save Printed Data, when you drag and drop your folder into the file, it will be deleted. Now select the file you wish to print, drag it into the folder, and it will automatically start printing with the preset custom print parameters you've selected, 18 inch by 24 heavyweight coated paper, and you're finished. Thank you very much for watching the tutorial on imageRUNNER Enlargement Copy.